Cooking can be an art form. It requires creativity, patience, and a willingness to experiment. But it can also be expensive. In this video, we'll explore 10 proven strategies for frugal cooking and saving money. Get ready to sharpen your skills, save money, and enjoy delicious frugal meals. Number 1. Plan your meals and make a grocery list. Meal planning is the backbone of frugal cooking. It's the process of deciding what you'll eat for the week or month and then creating a grocery list to match. Meal planning not only helps you stay organized and save time, but it also helps you save money by avoiding impulse purchase. Start by considering your weekly schedule and planning meals accordingly. Choose recipes that are simple, healthy, and use ingredients you already have on hand. Next, create a grocery list based on your meal plan. Be sure to check your pantry and fridge first to avoid buying duplicates. When you're at the grocery store, stick to your list and avoid temptations that could bust your budget. One great tip for frugal meal planning is to choose versatile ingredients that can be used in multiple dishes. For example, a large bag of rice can be used in stir-fries, casseroles, and side dishes. Canned tomatoes can be used in soups, stews, and sauces. By choosing versatile ingredients, you can save money and reduce food waste. Another tip is to take advantage of sales and discounts. Check your local grocery store's weekly circular or website for deals on items you need. Stock up on non-perishable items when they're on sale and freeze extras for later use. By planning your meals and creating a grocery list, you'll be well on your way to frugal cooking success. You'll save money, reduce food waste, and enjoy delicious meals without breaking the bank. Number 2. Use inexpensive ingredients. Cooking delicious and healthy meals doesn't always require expensive ingredients. In fact, some of the most flavorful dishes can be made with inexpensive ingredients. Using inexpensive ingredients not only saves money, but it can also add variety to your meals and help you discover new flavors. One of the best ways to use inexpensive ingredients is to choose in-season produce. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are usually less expensive and taste better because they're fresh. Farmers markets and local produce stands are great places to find in-season produce. You can also check your grocery store's weekly specials for deals on produce. Another way to use inexpensive ingredients is to choose protein sources wisely. Beans, lentils, and eggs are all affordable sources of protein that can be used in a variety of dishes. Tofu is also a great plant-based protein source that is inexpensive and versatile. Pantry staples like rice, pasta, and canned vegetables are also affordable ingredients that can be used in many dishes. They're great for creating filling and nutritious meals on a budget. Using spices and herbs can also add flavor to inexpensive ingredients and make them more interesting. Frugal cooking is all about using creativity and resourcefulness to make delicious meals without breaking the bank. By choosing inexpensive ingredients and getting creative in the kitchen, you can create meals that are both healthy and affordable. Number 3. Cook in bulk and freeze leftovers. Cooking in bulk is a great way to save time and money in the kitchen. It involves preparing a large quantity of food at once, which can be portioned out and frozen for later use. By doing so, you can reduce food waste and always have a meal on hand when you're short on time. To cook in bulk, start by choosing recipes that can be easily doubled or tripled. Soups, stews, and casseroles are great options for bulk cooking. Once you've prepared the dish, portion it out into containers and freeze for later use. You can also freeze individual portions for quick and easy meals on busy days. Freezing leftovers is also a great way to reduce food waste and save money. Instead of throwing out leftover food, freeze it for later use. Leftover rice can be used in stir-fries, while leftover chicken can be used in sandwiches or salads. Be sure to label and date your leftovers so you know what they are and when they were frozen. When it comes to freezing food, make sure to use quality storage containers that are freezer-friendly. Glass or plastic containers with tight-fitting lids work well for freezing food. You can also use freezer bags for items like soups or stews. By cooking in bulk and freezing leftovers, you can save time and money while reducing food waste. With a freezer full of delicious meals, you'll always have something to eat on busy days or when you're short on time. Number 4. Repurpose leftovers. Repurposing leftovers is a great way to get creative in the kitchen while reducing food waste. Instead of simply reheating leftovers, you can transform them into new and exciting dishes. Leftover vegetables can be turned into a hearty soup or a colorful stir-fry. Roasted chicken can be used in sandwiches or wraps. Leftover rice can be turned into a flavorful fried rice dish. The possibilities are endless, and all it takes is a little creativity. One way to repurpose leftovers is to think about the flavors and ingredients that you have on hand. For example, if you have leftover roasted vegetables and quinoa, you could make a delicious quinoa bowl with roasted veggies and a tangy vinaigrette. Leftover chicken can be shredded and added to a taco or burrito bowl. You can even make a savory bread pudding with leftover bread and vegetables. Another way to repurpose leftovers is to transform them into a different type of cuisine. Leftover rice can be turned into a delicious Spanish paella or a flavorful Thai curry. Leftover chicken can be used in a spicy Mexican enchilada or a comforting Italian risotto. The key to repurposing leftovers is to have fun and experiment in the kitchen. With a little creativity, you can turn leftovers into exciting and delicious meals that will satisfy your taste buds and save you money. Number 5. Shop at discount stores and farmers markets. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. When it comes to frugal cooking, where you shop for your ingredients can make all the difference. Discount stores and farmers markets can be great places to find quality ingredients at affordable prices. Discount stores like Aldi and Lidl offer a wide range of products at discounted prices, making it a great option for those on a tight budget. These stores often carry their own private label products that are just as good, if not better than name brand products. They also tend to have a smaller selection of items, which means you can get in and out quickly and avoid the temptation to buy unnecessary items. Farmers markets are another great option for finding fresh produce at reasonable prices. By shopping locally, you can support small farmers and get access to fresh, seasonal produce that you may not find in your local grocery store. Plus, you can often haggle over prices and get deals on bulk purchases. When shopping at discount stores or farmers markets, be sure to bring a shopping list and stick to it. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and stay within your budget. You should also be willing to be flexible with your meal plan based on what is available and in season. By shopping at discount stores and farmers markets, you can save money while still enjoying delicious and nutritious meals. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you're supporting local farmers and businesses in your community. Number 6. Utilize kitchen gadgets and tools. In today's world, there are countless kitchen gadgets and tools available to help make cooking easier and more efficient. These gadgets range from simple tools like a garlic press or a vegetable peeler to more complex tools like a food processor or a slow cooker. Using the right kitchen gadgets and tools can help you save time and money while preparing delicious meals. For example, a food processor can be used to quickly chop vegetables, make pesto or hummus or puree soups. A slow cooker can be used to make large batches of soups, stews, or chili, which can be frozen and used for future meals. Other useful kitchen gadgets and tools include a mandolin slicer for perfectly sliced vegetables, a handheld immersion blender for blending soups and sauces directly in the pot, and a rice cooker for perfectly cooked rice every time. When selecting kitchen gadgets and tools, it's important to choose ones that will actually be useful to you and that you'll use on a regular basis. Consider your cooking style, the types of meals you like to prepare, and your budget when selecting these tools. By utilizing the right kitchen gadgets and tools, you can save time and effort in the kitchen while still preparing delicious and nutritious meals. Plus, you'll have fun exploring new cooking techniques and experimenting with new recipes. Number 7. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money on groceries and reduce food waste. By purchasing items like grains, beans, nuts, and spices in bulk, you can often get a better price per unit and reduce the amount of packaging waste that comes with buying smaller portions. One of the benefits of buying in bulk is that you can purchase just the amount you need. This can help you avoid food waste, as you can measure out the exact amount needed for a recipe, rather than buying a pre-packaged portion that may not be used up before it goes bad. Another benefit of buying in bulk is that it allows you to stock up on non-perishable items that you use regularly, such as rice or oats. By having these items on hand, you can easily whip up a quick and inexpensive meal without having to make a special trip to the store. When buying in bulk, be sure to store the items properly to ensure they stay fresh. For example, grains and beans should be stored in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. Spices should be stored in a dark, cool place to maintain their flavor. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money and reduce waste, but it's important to only buy what you need and use up items before they go bad. By incorporating bulk items into your meal planning, you can enjoy delicious and affordable meals while reducing your environmental impact. Number 8. Reduce food waste. Reducing food waste is not only good for the environment, but it can also help save money and lead to more delicious meals. According to recent studies, up to 1/3 of all food produced in the world is waste, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and wasting valuable resources. One way to reduce food waste is to plan meals carefully and use up leftovers. By planning meals ahead of time, you can ensure that you're only buying what you need and using up ingredients before they go bad. Leftovers can be repurposed into new meals, such as using leftover roasted vegetables in a frittata or making a soup from leftover chicken and vegetables. Another way to reduce food waste is to store food properly to extend its shelf life. This includes using airtight containers, storing fruits and vegetables separately, and keeping the refrigerator at the proper temperature. Using up scraps and parts of vegetables that are often thrown away can also help reduce food waste. For example, broccoli stems can be chopped up and used in stir-fries or salads, and carrot tops can be used to make pesto. Finally, composting can be a great way to reduce food waste and create nutrient-rich soil for gardening. Composting can be done at home using a compost bin or by using a community composting service. By reducing food waste, we can help protect the environment, save money, and create more delicious meals. With a little planning and creativity, we can all do our part to reduce food waste and create a more sustainable food system. Number 9. Cook from scratch. Cooking from scratch is a great way to save money and create delicious meals. By making your own sauces, marinades, and spice blends, you can avoid the high cost of pre-packaged items while also customizing the flavors to your liking. When cooking from scratch, it's important to have a well-stocked pantry with basic ingredients such as flour, sugar, and spices. This allows you to whip up a variety of dishes without having to make a last-minute trip to the grocery store. Another benefit of cooking from scratch is that you have control over the ingredients used in your meals. You can choose to use high-quality ingredients such as grass-fed beef or organic produce, or substitute ingredients to suit dietary restrictions or preferences. While cooking from scratch may take a bit more time and effort than using prepackaged items, the results are often more flavorful and nutritious. Plus, it's a great way to experiment with new ingredients and techniques in the kitchen. To get started with cooking from scratch, try making your own salad dressings, marinades, or even bread. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's in your food. Number 10. Invest in reusable containers and meal prep tools. Investing in reusable containers and meal prep tools is a great way to save money and reduce waste. By using these tools, you can easily store and transport your meals, which can help you resist the urge to buy takeout or fast food. When it comes to reusable containers, there are many options available, from glass jars to plastic containers. Choosing high-quality containers that are durable and leak-proof can help you save money in the long run by reducing the need for disposable containers and food waste. Meal prep tools such as food scales, measuring cups, and portion control containers can also help you save money and eat healthier. By prepping your meals in advance, you can avoid the temptation to buy expensive convenience foods or eat out. Investing in a good set of knives and cutting boards can also make meal prep easier and more enjoyable. By having the right tools on hand, you can quickly and safely chop vegetables, fruits, and other ingredients. Another great meal prep tool is a slow cooker or instant pot, which can help you cook large batches of food with minimal effort. This can be a great way to save money by cooking in bulk and freezing leftovers for later. In conclusion, frugal cooking doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or nutrition. By utilizing the expert tips outlined in this video, you can save money and eat well without breaking the bank.